club. Give me the mic for the beat drop. Make them all turn up. Under the pressure, I'm getting better. In the driver's seat, down for whatever. I'm the professor. Listen, I'm gonna teach. Round and round the world I go. There's one thing I ain't seen. Never ever found someone who does it quite like me. I'm getting it done. Still number one. Move, make it, earth shaking, ground breaking. Go get it done. I get it done, baby. I'm getting it done. Look at me now. Look at me now. Who's wearing that crown? I'm wearing that crown. I'm getting it done. I get it done, baby. Still number one. Shine like the sun. Yeah, we shining like the sun. Move, make it, earth shaking, ground breaking. Go get it done. Done. I'm getting it done.
Sa wakas, thank you for waiting. You waited while I chased one dream after another. You never rushed me or made me choose between my dreams and our future. Instead, you stood beside me, cheered me on, prayed with me, and believed that when God said it was time, we'd finally have this day. Tapos na ang paghihintay, nandito na tayo.
Kung alam mo lang ng iyong ngalan ang pinanggagaling.
8 taon, aking mahal. O kay bilis ng panahon na para bang kahapon lang nang nakuha ko ang matamis mong oo.
Ang pagsusuma mong kahit anino mo lang ang mahag.
He's a perfect son, and I love him so much.
Lalamimig man ay maupo.
While I was busy chasing my dreams, God was quietly preparing the greatest one for me, you. And today, I finally get to celebrate the greatest goal of my life, becoming your wife.
Ibahin mo ako sa milyong mata nila. Pagbukas ng mata, baka bukas ay ako na. Hayaan sana ako ipadama na iba ka. Ikaw ang tanging tanaw hanggang sa pagtanda. Kung iyong pahihintulutan, maligaw man sa dadaanan, basta ikaw ang hangganan. Kung di ikaw, wag na lang, patapos na ang kanta. Nasaan ka na ba, sinta? Tiyak na ba ang bukas na nandyan ka na? Ibahin mo ako sa milyong mata nila. Piliin ako, sana bukas ay ako na. Hayaan akong ipadama na iba ka. Oh, baka bukas, baka bukas. Ibahin mo ako. Huwag pipiliin, huwag na sanang ipabukas. Ipadama. Oh, let's go, Kuya John! Ibahin mo ako. Ibahin mo ako. Huwag pipiliin, huwag na sanang ipabukas. Ipadama. Kung alam mo lang ng iyong
Mabait, maalaga, mapagmahal, matapang, at malakas na malayang babae. Ako'y pinagpala at nagpapasalamat dahil ako'y pinili mong maging katuwang. Ano pa nga ba ang hahanapin ko? Nasa iyo na ang lahat.
Simon and Kate.
You are each other's wingman. Tamang panahon, tamang tao, tamang paghihintay.
Di ko akalaing ikaw pala ang sagot sa aking mga dalangin, ang aking kabiyak, ang aking katiyakan. Ikaw ang aking hilagang bituin. Dahil sa mundong walang kasiguraduhan at pansamantala, ikaw ang aking liwanag at tahanan. Di mo kailangang mangamba o mag-alinlangan dahil hinigugmaon ta ikaw hakadayunan. And I am here for the long haul.
Moments in time when it felt so right. Moments alone when the fire died. I will be there for you, and I will run to you. Moments aligned and we're without clouds. These are the times we live for. I will be there for you, and I will run to you. Moments in time when it felt so right. Moments alone when the fire died. I will be there for you, and I will run to you. These are the times we live for now. Something has changed and we must break it down. Stay with me, be with me, run with me. Stay with me, be with me, run with me now.
Pipilion ko ikaw, habugos ko nga kinabuhi. Ngan habugos ko nga kinabuhi, padayon ko na ipapahinumdom haimo, nga diri mo na kinanghanglan at tubangon ang kinabuhi nga nag-uusahan. Aadi ako kausa mo na, hakalipayan ngat karatan. After all the dreams I chased, all the prayers I whispered, and all the seasons we waited, I finally made it home. Because home was never a place, it was always you. Hinigugma ko ikaw.